Cows and Cats are back again. I'm Graham McFloss29, and we're just going to do a very first unboxing of what I got since I've done my chores. Now, this is a actual game since I actually paid this game off of Amazon, and we just want to see what it's inside. And I think this is possibly a actual Nintendo Switch game. Yeah, we get our idea. Now, let's see what's inside, and I'm going to use this Diet Coke can to make it stand up. Hold on a sec, guys. Hold on a sec, and yep, here we go. Let's unbox this. And this is possibly a cheap product that I actually got. Let me see if it is. And it's basically a game. Now, guys, since you love Uglydolls right now, this is a game that I got in the mail. Behold, Uglydolls, an imperfect adventure for the Nintendo Switch. Check it out. Okay, this is the game, Uglydolls, an imperfect adventure. This is a game for the Nintendo Switch, but you can also get it for the Xbox One and PS4. But I decided to get this for the Nintendo Switch because, first of all, I can take this anywhere I go, and two, it is really cheap, and I deserve the right money for it, and I saved some money. But it is based on the movie, based on this Uglydolls movie right here. You can see that I got in my hand. But right now, I just got this Uglydolls game because I want to entertain you guys what I got, and it's going to be a little fun. So basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this game and then take a look on the hands of this Nintendo Switch, because I'm basically going to show you some hands of it. Yeah, and also if you go to my page, this is the friend code you must type in here. So the friend code you must type in is SW, but you don't have to type in that. You just basically type in 2401 6906 1516, and you can basically follow my Nintendo Switch friend code, and you can basically chat to me on games and sorts of stuff. But let's put this on the side and see what this game is about. So, Uglydolls, an imperfect adventure. On the cover, you actually got the mayor, of course, Ox right here. We have the Ugly Dog. We possibly have here Moxie, I believe. Here we have this orange little African-American doll called Chef Wage, and it's really cool. Now here's Babbo, who likes to build stuff, so yeah, Babbo the Builder. Can he build an ugly build? Babbo the Builder, yes he can, I believe. No, just kidding. Yeah, you get the idea. And right here, this is a red bat who is actually a lucky bat, because he is a ugly bat who's basically called a lucky bat, but who knows? It's possibly Lucky Bat. Right now, since we got all this game, you can see the back. Tell you what this game is about. So this game was possibly about the Uglydolls have to save Uglyville from these lots of robots right here, and I basically got this. Hold on a sec, let me remove the barcode. Let me remove the barcode. Hold on a sec, guys. Okay, I sort of removed it, but you can actually get the idea of that. Yeah, here we go. So basically, this is Uglydolls and Imperfect Adventure. Now I'm going to unbox this with, of course, my scissors, and let's get into it. So, hold on a sec, guys. Okay, so we got my scissors, and we're going to cut possibly right there. And this is a sealed copy, I believe. Let's get this wrapping out of the way, and let's see what's inside. So, I won't have time to do a on hands of the first game, but possibly this is hands. It's unsealed right now, and we're going to open it in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so here is the game card. Right here, it says Uglydolls and Imperfect Adventure. It's basically going to be really cool, and basically we are going to try this out at some point. So let's get this game into it, and grab this coat thing onto the stand, and basically we are going to put the game into my Nintendo Switch. See there, I'm using a Nintendo Switch Lite for this video, but it will also work on my original Nintendo Switch. So let's put it in there. Hold on a sec, this may be dirty, 1 sec. Let's put it back in there. What the heck? Here we go. So here's Uglydolls and Imperfect Adventure. Let's see download. Okay, while that's downloading, I'm going to tell you guys what gameplay I will going to do. So basically I'm basically going to do some gameplay of this if I can do some gameplay, and I will show it to you guys, and I basically bet that Andrew Orozco, GA Brits, Connor the Sushi Packer, and Lucy the CBC Kids fan are all going to be amazed when they see this. So this is going to be epic. And here we have it right here. Let's start this hands a little bit. So we're going to basically go into my account, press it. Let's start. This is Unity engine, really noticeable. Here we have the cool STX movie logo, I think. Yes, STX Films. Really interesting, and this was made by Outright Games, as you can see. Oh, okay. So it says here, Uglydolls and Imperfect Adventure. You got here Ox, who is the mayor of Uglyville, and we have Moxie, the main character of the actual movie right here, and of this game. So Uglydolls and Imperfect Adventure. We got to press A to continue. So press A. And we got, see here on settings, we can change the sound, language, auto, rotor camera, and the credits. So we're not going to go into that now. Possibly let's start some gaming and see what is up. Okay, we got 3 slots of the game. So what I'm basically going to do is basically I'm going to put the save in this folder right here. Press A. I can choose between the characters of Ox or Moxie. So basically since Moxie is the main character of this game, I'm going to pick her right here. But to be honest, guys, wait, is that Lucky Bat?
A felt and fabric town that's home to the Uglydolls. My name's Lucky Bat, and I'll be
Hi, Lucky Bat.
for this game. And this is my tea house. Not
Interesting. You like to eat your tea leaves.
under my tea house.
Interesting.
It's a cave, and I'm a bat, so I call it my bat cave. Touring facility. From here, we ran our underground resistance.
But I'm skipping the cutscenes right here.
A lot of backstory, which, now why is that important? It's up.
Yeah, I'm skipping the cutscenes. Okay, here we have Moxie, and she is worried because of the robots who are attacking Uglyville. So let's press A. Let's use the computer. So we've got the left analog stick to move around, and we're basically going to use Y to go and get the computer. So press Y. Here's Lucky Bat. Yeah, basically Lucky Bat and Moxie fall in love. Yeah, very interesting. I can't hear them. Okay, so they are the heroes. Okay, so Trey is possibly in her lab right now. So she's the smartest of people. No, of course she is. Let's skip all of this and see if it's okay. Okay, so our mission is to find Trey. So we are going to go right over there, pick up some buttons or coins, whatever, and we basically use the left analog stick to move around, and we use the right analog stick to look around, and we basically use B to jump. And we basically use A to use the carving section, and we use X to make the inventory section. And when we do stuff, it changes the angle. And let's find Trey to see where she is. Find Trey. Okay. Where the hell is Trey? Okay, let's find Trey, see where the arrow takes them, and we basically found Trey. Very nice. Press 1 to talk to Trey. Wait, what? Okay, so we found the map right here. Okay, so last thing I'm going to do with you guys is I'm going to find this right here. Find all of the springs. Let's see. Okay. Okay, we found some of the springs. Okay, so let's return to the tray right there. Okay. Okay, so after all, I'm basically going to continue with this game. So that's our unboxing and our hands with Uglydolls and Imperfect Adventure for the Nintendo Switch. And as always, smack that notification bell, smack that subscribe button, and post a comment down below in the description right here, and in the comments, I believe. And please see you in more episodes, and basically I'll see you guys later. Anyways, goodbye for a while. Now let's play this game.